Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. So today we're going to continue learning about our VIP letter and sound of the week, I, which remember I says I. And then we are also going to continue to work on segmenting and blending words. And we're going to learn about our I word families today, and we're going to learn about some more stuff with our high frequency words. So we're going to head on over to our sound spelling cards to review our letter I sound. Okay, friends, so here is our VIP letter and sound of the week, and this is I, also known as short I when I is by itself. And remember, I says I, like an insect, and an insect, it's at the beginning of the word. Or hill, it's in the middle of the word. So we're going to say I says I 3 times all together. Here we go. I says I. Again, I says I. One more time. I says I. Awesome job, friends. So now we're going to head on over to our letter tiles and we're going to build some short I words. Okay, friends, so these are all of our letters that we're going to use today to build words. And we're going to review their sounds in just a second. But remember, words are just different combinations of letters. So we use different combinations of letters to make different words. Okay, so our first letter over here is P. And remember, P says P. Okay, we're going to do that one time all together. Here we go. P says P. Awesome job, friends. And our next letter is the letter H. And remember, H says H. So we're going to say that all together. Here we go. One time. H says H. Good job, friends. And our next letter is the letter K. And remember, K says K. So we're going to do that all together. One time. Here we go. K says K. Awesome job, friends. And our next letter is the letter T. And remember, our letter T says T. So we're going to do that all together. Here we go. T says T. Awesome job, friends. And our next letter is the letter W. And remember, W says W. Okay, so we're going to do that all together. Here we go. W says W. Awesome job, friends. And our next letter is the letter N. And remember, N says N. So we're going to do that all together. One time. Here we go. N says N. Awesome job, friends. And our next letter is the letter M. And remember that M says like that was really good. And our next one, this is tricky. We just learned about this yesterday, friends. Excuse me. And remember, if you have a double consonant, so that's any letter that is not a vowel. And remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So when you have a double consonant like SS, it only says one S. So SS just says S. Okay, so let's say that. SS says S. All together, here we go. SS says S. Awesome job, friends. And our next letter and last letter is our VIP letter and sound of the week. So it's the star of the week. It is our letter I. And remember, I says I. Okay, so let's say that all together. Here we go. I says I. Awesome job, friends. So the first letter we're going to build is pin. Pin. P, I, N. So let's listen to that first sound. P. Oh, that's our P. We just reviewed that. So we have P, I. We know that's our VIP sound of the week. P, I, N. We know that's our letter N because we are phonics rock stars and are just doing an awesome job at learning all of our letters and sounds. So we have P, I, N. P, N. Pin, okay? So that is how you spell pin. Awesome job, friends. And the next word we're going to spell is win. Win, like we will win the game. we have w, I, n. So we have 3 sounds. W, I, n. So w, we know that's our W. I, we know that's our VIP sound of the week. I, w, I, n. That's our N sound. So we have w, I, n. W, in. Win, like we will win the game. Awesome job, friends. So this next word, I want you to practice spelling by yourself. The word is hit. Like we do not hit our friends. So I want you to pause the video, write down how to spell hit, and then when you come back, we're going to go over how to spell. Okay, friends, I'm sure that you did an awesome job spelling hit. But here we go. We have I, t. So we have 3 sounds. So we have which is H, I, which is our VIP sound, I, t, and that's our T. So we have our 3 sounds. I, t. So we have it, hit. So give yourselves a round of applause because I know you guys did an awesome job. And our last 2 words, friends, we're going to practice reading them. Okay? And I know you guys are going to think this first word is funny. And remember, our double consonant right here that's on the end just says one S. Okay, so here we go. K, I, S, kiss, kiss. Awesome job. So we have kiss. Okay. And now I want you to pause the video and try to sound this word out. And remember, pay attention to our double S on the end. Okay, remember it just says one S, not S. Okay, so pause the video and sound that out and then come back and we will do it together. You got this, friends. You're going to do awesome. Okay, friends, here we go. S, miss, miss. Like, I miss all of you, and I wish that we could be in person, friends. So we have miss. Okay, friends, now we're going to head on over to a Wonders activity, and we are going to learn about our short I word families for this week. Okay, friends, so we have 3 different word families today and 4 boxes in this activity. So we have fin, which is the in word family, which is IN on the end. We have bit, which is the it word family, which is IT on the end. And we have hiss, which is the ISS word family on the end. Then we have other, so that means it doesn't go into any of these other boxes. So let's look at when. Okay, well, what in? That's part of the in word family, just like fin. And it has IN on the end. Good job, friends. Nap. Well, nap doesn't even have an I in it, so it can't belong to any of our word families, so it's going to have to go to other. Sit. Well, sit has it on the end, so it's going to go to the it word family. Out. Out. Well, out doesn't even have an I in it, so it can't go with any of the I word families. Is. Miss. Well, that's going to go with our is word family, which has ISS on the end. Awesome job, friends. Up. Well, up doesn't have an I in it, so it definitely has to go in our other box. Kiss. Oh, that has the is on the end, so it's going to go with our is or ISS on the end word family. Next, we have hit. Hit. Well, it has it on the end, so it's going to go with our it word family, which remember has IT on the end. Then we have pin. Pin. Like I need to pin my pants because they're too big. Well, that has in on the end, so it's going to go in our in word family. So remember, it has in on the end. Last word, can. Well, that doesn't even have an I on the end, guys, so we know that it has to go in our other. Okay, guys, let's check our work. Good. We got them all correct. Okay, friends, we're going to head on over and do some high frequency word work. Okay, friends, so remember that we always do our read, spell, write routine with our sight words. And our first word is down, like the stairs go down, or the sun is going down. The arrow points down. So we're going to read down 3 times. Here we go. Down. Again, down. One more time. Down. Awesome job, friends. And the next thing we're going to do is spell it. So we're going to spell it D-O-W-N, down 3 times all together. Here we go. D-O-W-N, down. Again, D-O-W-N, down. One more time. D-O-W-N, down. Awesome job, friends. And now we're going to use our magic letters to spell it in the air just like this. D-O-W-N, down. 3 times all together. Here we go. D-O-W-N, down. Again, D-O-W-N, down. One more time. D-O-W-N, down. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to go to our next sight word, which is out. So we're going to read that 3 times all together. Here we go. Out. Again, out. One more time. Out. Like my dog went out to play. It is time to go out. Okay, so we're going to spell it 3 times just like this. O-U-T, out. All together, here we go. O-U-T, out. Again, O-U-T, out. One more time. O-U-T, out. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to use our magic letters to spell it just like this. O-U-T, out. 3 times all together, here we go. O-U-T, out. Again, O-U-T, out. One more time. O-U-T, out. Awesome job, friends. You guys are killing it today. Next word is up. Like the arrow points up. The sun is coming up. It is time to wake up. Okay, so we're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Up. Again, up. One more time. Up. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it just like this. U-P, up. 3 times all together. Here we go. U-P, up. Again, U-P, up. One more time. U-P, up. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to use our magic letters to spell it just like this. U-P, up. 3 times all together. Here we go. U-P, up. Again, U-P, up. One more time. U-P, up. Awesome job, friends. Here we go. Next to our last sight word. Very. Like it is very cold outside, or it is very hot in here. So we have very. We're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Very. Again, very. One more time. Very. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it 3 times just like this. V-E-R-Y. Very. All together. Here we go. V-E-R-Y. Very. Again, V-E-R-Y. Very. One more time. V-E-R-Y, very. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to use our magic letters to spell it just like this. V-E-R-Y, very. 3 times all together. Here we go. V-E-R-Y, very. Again, V-E-R-Y, very. One more time. V-E-R-Y, very. Awesome job, friends. I'm going to give you 2 thumbs up. So today we learned about short I. We reviewed short I. We learned about I word family, so in, it, and is. And we reviewed our 4 sight words, down, out, up, and very. So you guys are going to head on over to Seesaw. And today your assignment is all about our short I word families. And I know you guys are going to do awesome because you're rock stars. Have a great day, friends. I'll see you tomorrow.